My name is Ali.
What is the total color in Malaysia flag?
Blue, yellow, white and red.
Good. Thank you. Good. Happy Independence Day.
Merdeka! Merdeka!
Adam. So, who is the first Prime Minister of Malaysia? First Prime Minister of Malaysia.
I don't know.
It's okay. It's Abdul Rahman. He's the first Prime Minister of Malaysia.
Oh, the first one.
Yeah, first one.
Oh, okay. I thought before this one.
It's okay. It's okay. Good, man. Happy Independence Day.
Okay, happy. Thank you.
My name is Arif Daniel.
Sorry?
Arif.
Haris. Okay, Haris. So I have some question for you. Okay? So how many colors are there in our national flag?
4.
Four. Good?
Oh, okay.
Say the color.
Yellow, red, white, and blue.
Okay, great.
Eh, no.
Who is our first Prime Minister?
Tunku Abdul Rahman.
Abdul Rahman. Very good. One more last question.
Okay.
Okay? Who is the first? Sorry, I have asked this question. How many states are there in Malaysia?
40.
Very good, man. Very good. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. What's your name? Isham. Okay. So I'm going to ask you some basic 3 questions. Okay? How many colors are there in our flag, national flag?
14.
Colors in the national flag.
National flag.
How many colors are there in the flag?
14.
How many colors? Red?
Red, blue, yellow. 4.
Yeah, correct. Okay, so second question for you. Okay, who is our first Prime Minister?
Yes.
First Prime Minister of Malaysia? It's Abdul Rahman.
Tunku Abdul Rahman.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, you remember now. What is our national flower?
National flag. Bunga Raya.
Yeah, great man. Good. Thank you. My name is JK. What's your name? Yunus.
Yeah.
Okay. What's your name? What happened to your hand?
Yeah.
You ever had a fist fight?
Yeah.
Okay. So your first question is, how many colors are there in the national flag? Come on, guys. Come on, guys.
He's not Malaysian. I'm not Malaysian.
It's okay. It's okay.
Wait, 1, 2, 3.
Like
There's 4 colors.
Yeah, correct. 4 colors. Okay, second question for you. I'll ask only 3 questions.
Okay,
Don't
okay.
worry, okay?
Yeah.
So who is the first Prime Minister of Malaysia?
The current Prime Minister.
Not the first.
The first?
First Prime Minister of Malaysia.
Washington.
Let's go.
Okay. You have a timer. Just guess.
Oh, it's Tunku Abdul Rahman, is it?
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay.
Correct. Great.
Yeah. You got it.
I got
You
it.
got it. So one was the last one, okay?
Yeah.
So it's going to be a little tough.
Yeah.
You can give a try, okay? If you're not able to, I'll ask you one more question.
Alright.
Okay,
Yeah.
all right?
Yeah.
So, which country captured in World War II? Which country captured Malaysia in World War II?
Portugal.
No, Japan.
Japan.
Right,
Yeah.
man. All
Wow.
right, all three are
How do
great.
you know that?
Have a nice day, man. Have a nice day. Great. Happy Independence Day.
Okay, you too.
Okay. Right.
Welcome to Malaysia, boy.
Can I ask you 3 questions on this Independence Day for you? You can give a try.
Give it a try.
Yeah, give a
Ask
try.
him. Ask him. I'm not interested now.
It's a basic question. You want to try? Anyone can try. Okay? Just 3 questions. Let's try. Give a try. Okay. How many colors are there in our national flag?
Red, blue, white, 4.
Right. That's correct. Okay, that's a basic one, huh? Okay. I'm going to ask you second one.
Ask him.
Okay. Who is the first Prime Minister of Malaysia?
So
Who is the first Prime Minister of Malaysia?
First
First.
Tun Abdul Razak.
Sorry?
Tun Abdul Razak.
No.
Tunku Abdul Rahman.
Yeah, is the right man. Okay, the last question, huh? So you want a simple question or a tough question?
simple.
Simple, right?
Okay.
Okay. How many states are there in Malaysia?
State.
How many? 3.
40.
That's right. That's right. All right.
And the present.
You'll be on my channel. Huh?
Okay.
Right. Thank you. Have a nice day, man. Happy Independence Day, man. My name is JK. What's your name?
My name is Jason Go.
Yasinko.
Jason Go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Great. What's your name?
My name is Zaid.
Zahir. I like your band, man. Malaysia. Okay. So I'm going to ask you 3 basic questions. How many colors are there in our national flag?
4.
4. Right? That's right. I'll ask 3 questions. Huh? Okay. The second question. Who is our first Prime Minister of Malaysia?
First.
First.
Tunku Abdul Rahman.
Rahman. Right. That's correct. Okay. It's going to be a little tough. Next question. Give a try. Okay. Which country captured Malaysia in Second World War II?
Germany.
Come on, give it a try. Okay.
Maybe.
It's okay. If you don't know the answer, it's Japan. I'll ask you another question. Okay. What's our national flower?
Tu bunga apa ni?
Bunga Raya.
Bunga Raya.
Okay. All right. Great.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Have a nice day, man. Hi, I'm JK. What's your name?
My name, call me Amirul.
Amin.
Amirul.
Amirul.
Yes.
Okay. So you're Malaysian?
Yeah, I'm Malaysian.
Okay. So I'm going to ask you some 3 questions, basic questions. Try answering them.
Alright,
Okay? 3 questions, basic questions. Okay. How many colors are there in our national flag?
14.
Huh? Sorry?
14 colors.
14.
14. No,
It's just 4.
1, 4.
It's just 4.
Oh, color. I thought the line.
Okay,
Sorry about that.
It's okay. Second question for you. Okay. Who is the first Prime Minister of Malaysia?
Now, it's my survey.
First Prime Minister of Malaysia.
First, Tunku Abdul Rahman.
Very good, man. That's good. So how many states are there in Malaysia?
States.
States. How many states are
Wow.
there?
14.
Yeah, that's 40. Correct.
Yeah.
14. Yeah, great man.
Yeah.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you
Yeah,
for this.
yeah.
Alright.